Stop. If you're thinking about buying YouTube SuperStar, there's something you need to know first. What if I told you that in the next 5 minutes, you could discover an AI tool that claims to build an entire faceless YouTube channel for you? Without recording videos, without showing your face, without editing, and without even uploading manually. Sounds crazy, right? So I'm going to show you exactly what YouTube SuperStar is, what's inside, the pros and cons, and whether it's actually worth your money or not. If you decide to pick up YouTube SuperStar through my link below, you'll also unlock my exclusive bonus package worth over $500 completely free. What is YouTube SuperStar? YouTube SuperStar is a brand new AI-powered platform designed to automate almost every part of running a YouTube channel. From finding viral topics, to writing scripts, creating videos, generating voiceovers, optimizing SEO, and even publishing directly to YouTube. The goal? Help complete beginners build faceless YouTube channels faster than ever before. Benefits. Why people are interested. Most people want YouTube income, but they don't want to be on camera. This tool helps solve that. It finds trending topics automatically, writes high-retention scripts, creates videos, adds realistic voiceovers, optimizes titles, descriptions, and tags, and can even schedule uploads automatically. Inside the platform, you'll find Viral Topic Finder, Competitor Research Tool, iScript Generator, Human-Style Voiceovers, Complete Video Creator, Auto Editing Engine, SEO Optimization Tools, Thumbnail Suggestions, Direct YouTube Publishing, Multi-Channel Management, and Commercial Rights included. Everything is designed to help automate content creation from idea to upload. Honest pros and cons. Now let's talk honestly. Pros. Beginner-friendly, no technical skills required, creates faceless videos, fast built-in SEO features, one-time payment, and commercial rights included. Cons. Results are not instant, you still need good niches. AI content may need some editing and success depends on consistency. No software can guarantee subscribers or income overnight, but it can dramatically reduce the workload. Results. What to expect. If you're expecting thousands of subscribers tomorrow, you'll probably be disappointed. But if you're looking for a tool that helps create content consistently without spending hours editing, this could be a huge advantage. The real power comes from publishing more content faster and staying consistent over time. And if you grab YouTube SuperStar through my link below today, you'll get these exclusive bonuses, free. Bonus 1. Faceless YouTube Cash Blueprint. Value $297. Discover the exact strategy for choosing profitable niches, monetizing faster, and scaling faceless channels using affiliate marketing and YouTube automation. Bonus 2. ASI Content Empire Masterclass. Value $297. Learn how to create unlimited content using AI tools, repurpose videos across multiple platforms, and build several income streams from one content system. Total bonus value, $594 plus. Yours, free. When you get YouTube SuperStar through my link below. So, is YouTube SuperStar worth it? If you're looking for a simple way to start a faceless YouTube channel, want AI to handle most of the content creation process, and don't want to pay expensive monthly subscriptions, then YouTube SuperStar is definitely worth considering. If you want to check out YouTube SuperStar and claim my exclusive bonuses, click the first link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.